pansit. Pansit is a Tagalog words. So it's made with, I'm gonna make some rice noodles. So I'm gonna I'm gonna put in my pansit. Ayan, thank you so much. Yes, I see. My day is good. Okay, at I am so glad that your day is good. Ayan. And thank you for visiting. Ayan, Fish and Babe, blah blah kapitbahay USA, mega mega shout out. Ayan, Michibu, okay, I love green beans. Yes, I love green beans as well. And I cut the, what you call this? Carrots and celery. Ayan, Fish and Babe, thank you so much for Kapitbahay USA. Love lang Kapitbahay USA. Ayan, happy Thanksgiving everyone all over the world. Ayan pa. Not only the, we celebrating Thanksgiving for today. Ayan pa, mga Kapitbahay USA. But, I just greet everyone all over the world. Happy Thanksgiving. Ayan pa. Show me kids. Ayan pa. Oh, my kids is in the kitchen. They're making, deviled egg. Ayan po. Michibu, thank you. Love lang Kapitbahay SA. Ayan, mga kapitbahay pala, love Michibu. Ayan. Ayan, come kids. Ayan. Hello, Chef Kalugaw. Love lang Kapitbahay SA. Thank you so much. Ayan, mga kapitbahay, Michibu is very supportive, mga kapitbahay. Just kuya, babes, thank you so much pa. Palabla po si babes. Anya si babes. Ayan. Kuya Babe, Fish and Babe, thank you so much for coming here. Ayan po, Kuya Chef Kaluga, mega shout out. Village Life, Tamachan. Ayan, thank you so much po sa mga nakabidi, mga kapitbahay. Really appreciate everyone. Kapitbahay USA, she's called kids. Ayan, love Michibu. O yan, palablab po Michibu, mga kapitbahay. Michibu, Project X, love you already. It means he visit. Ayan. Tamsak 61, ayan po. Kuya Chef Kaluga, kumusta ka na? Magluluto ako ng pansit ko ngayon. Tinan yung paghihiwa ko ng green beans. Okay ba? Pasado ba sa'yo as a chef? Oh, okay na to. Hindi naman masyadong komplikado. Huwag masyadong komplikado. Mag-iisip pa ako nun eh. Kasasabi ko lang sa mga viewers ko kanina, wala akong stress. Baka ma-stress pa ako sa kaiisip kung paano ko gayatin itong green beans na to. Uy, chef, pasado na ba to sa paggagayat? Bilang chef, okay na rin to. I want to see, kids come here. They're not a kids anymore. They're grown up. Francisco Antonio Ramirez Garcia, mayroong dumating na balikbayan back sa bahay galing sa kaanak ko. Oh, okay. Congratulations to you, Francisco. Ayan po. Okay yan. Any kind gayat, hehe. O, diba? Basta yung, yung gayat, habang yumayaw-yaw, mas masarap yon. O, diba? Ayan. Kuya Chef Kaluga, thank you so much pa. Ayan. Ayan, Chef Kalugaw, love lang Kapitbahay SA. Thank you. Ayan. A. No. Get out there. Get out. Get out. Get down, please. You're not belong over there. Please, no, sneaky, no, sneaky.
Oh, well, don't cut them with a knife.
No, I'm not. I'm just closing this with my thing.
You just pointed a knife at them.
No, I'm not pointing. Baby love, don't say that.
She went.
No, I'm just closing this with my knife because I don't reach it, baby loves. Ayan pa. Francisco, meron ding dumating sa akin sa bahay. Mga bills pala. Ayan pa, Village Life 1272, Chef. Thank you so much pa. Maganda, wag mo na gayatin. Wag na gayatin talaga. Ayan pa. Thank you so much pa. Maganda, oo nga, mahirap yan ako. Baka mabulo na yung makakain nito. Ayan pa. Tamachan, lalo Kapitbahay SA. Ayan di ba si Francisco, may dumating daw sa kanyang box. Hindi, kasi may dumating yan na box, kasi magki-Christmas. Siguro, niregaluhan sila. Ayan, Chef Kalugaw, thank you. Love Kapit by USA. Kuya, ano, pasado ba ang aking mga, ano, baka matrending